4 a.m. We're here at Strawberry Farm.
So you can see the one covered was already ready for pickup.
Really? I can't see any strawberries pa. Ayun, look. Another one. That's a strawberry. I can't zoom in.
Ate, pakitik look eh. Huwag na. Dito na lang tayo. At baka mapagalitan pa tayo. This is as closest.
Oh, what's that? Strawberry wine.
Taas ang alcohol content niya, no?
Yes, sure. Masarap yung haluan ng sweet.
Pero matamis.
Oo. Ito,
Sarap.
haluan natin siya ng sweet.
Matapang siya na eh. Pero
Masarap.
masarap ang malasa.
Ito ang best-seller namin. Ito yung may antioxidant siya.
Can I?
Ito mo siya yung blood circulation.
Ano pagkakaiba nito?
Kasi 14%.
Ano pagkakaiba nito?
Sweet wine lang po ito.
Sweet
Ito
wine.
naman yung 14%.
Ito to, ano to? Yung meron kami itong sample.
Masarap.
Nagdag sa ano.
Kasi ganyan yung pinapahanap lang sa amin. Sige, sige. Magkano yung ganito naman?
Ito 100. Tapos ito yung mga jams natin. Ito yung mga homemade natin. Ang bigyan namin yung piso.
Breakfast time. Some lumpia, itlog, corned beef, and fried rice. Good taste. Good taste. Okay, so in Bandcamp we're not allowed to take videos, so I'm just going to insert some photos of his work art here.